I've seen people, put out posts, because they have no idea of a starting point. And so they, ask a question, kia ora, I'm from da-da-da, this is my whānau, can anyone help? And then I just think, how do, what's a nice way to even, like if I was someone, like how can I engage in that space appropriately, so I don't come off sounding like, I don't know, like I want all the kai, just for people wanting help to be mindful, but also people who are wanting to give the help or can see that, to be mindful as well, because even just asking for whairos or students hipuna or wanting to know whakapapa, as I had asked about who is this kui, or does any of our kui wear kauai when I was about, I don't know, 15 or something. And in ānei, kua huri te tai.
Just for the context for the listeners, why do you think that's turned?
Without sounding whakahihi now, because I have something to offer them that they want now.
Yeah.
That's a form of like privilege too, those people who ever go at people asking, like they wouldn't ask if they had a whānau to ask. So that's about us being an allowance of, oh okay, I see your post, do I need to write something mean on there and really crush your mana and you don't want to go and connect? So it's about, oh okay, I see this post, well I can't help you, move on, or maybe I know someone that might be able to help you.
I reckon like meritocracy, that's kind of what it is, like I've proven myself or in people's eyes now, so I have something of value. Is that something we inherited, or is that a traditional tikanga?
Is it because you're like in that part of that status now? Like people look up to you now, so then that's why you have that power to do that kind of stuff, and that's why they always answer your questions, because you have that, you're there while before you were here kind of thing.
You like have a new mana.
Yeah.
Now they see what you've done and they're like, oh you've got mana now, so
I can answer that question for you kind of thing.
To give, not to just go in and take. I don't know if it's a bit of advice, but always be prepared to give. And I think, that reciprocity, koha to koha mai, but not expecting a $20 at the end of the session or something. You gotta prove yourself. Not going in there to take to eat all the kai. You've got something to give to. We all have a contribution to make, contribution of significance to that kaupapa. Whether that's farts or it's up to you.
Follow through.